Hey Reggie, this is Viola with Generational Leads, Atlanta, Georgia. Thanks so much for taking the time out to talk to me yesterday, and thanks for clicking on this video. Now, I'm going to briefly show you 3 easy ways that you can improve your website so that you can start bringing in more customers. And if you're wondering why I'm making you this video, it's pretty simple because there's a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And it pretty much holds them back from hiring a marketing agency, especially since they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners do this themselves and some call me back and ask for some help. So if you want some help at the end of this, give me a call so we could chat. But if you want to do this yourself, please do. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. Now, I'm going to talk to you today about backlinks, content, and citations. So first off, let's talk about your website. So your website is a pretty good looking website. Obviously, we need to add a few things, but it's a good looking website overall. It's nice and bright. You know, if somebody comes to it, they'll say, okay, good. I have some information here. Let me go to the home page. I'm sure that makes a difference. Here we go. All right. So yeah, it's a pretty good looking website. However, Google doesn't rank based on how good looking your website is, though. They rank you mostly based on content. So for example, if we take a look at Google here and somebody types in carpet cleaning in Lawrenceville, Georgia, Google's job is to put them in front of the article that's going to answer all of their questions, which typically is the article that has the most words on it. And the average website on the front page of Google has about 1,890 words on it. And you guys' website is sitting at approximately 300, 350 maybe, if that. So we definitely want to up the content on this homepage to 1,500 to 2,000 words. If you take a look at one of your competitors over here, Gwinnett Carpet Cleaning, as you can see on their homepage, they don't have 2,000 words on their page either, which makes them definitely very beatable. However, getting your page upwards 1,500 to 2,000 is going to help you get on that front page of Google over time. Now, another thing I want to take a look at is when you save these images, make sure you save these images as keywords that you're targeting. Different keywords that people key in on Google, such as what I clicked in over here, Lawrenceville, carpet cleaning, Lawrenceville, Georgia. You want to save those pictures as those keywords because Google doesn't recognize how pretty the site is. All they recognize is the content behind the pictures. So whatever you could utilize to get yourself a step ahead, that's going to help as well. After that, you want to make yourself trustworthy, and Google bases this off of how many other websites are linking to you. So you want to get relevant websites linking to you. For example, you're going to get a lot more power from another carpet cleaning company linking to you rather than Pizza Hut linking to you, because obviously Google knows that you don't sell pizza for a living. So I use this tool over here. It's called Ahrefs. And what it does, I just went ahead and put your company in here. I pay about $150 a month for it. And it allows me to see the back end of a lot of what the websites are doing. And as you can see, it says here, you guys have 8 websites linking to you, which is giving you guys approximately 2 clients per month in organic traffic. Nothing to scoff at. I mean, there are so many other carpet cleaning companies out there that don't even have a website, yet alone have any referring domains or any websites linking to them. So I put your competitor in the same tool here. And if you take a look at them, they have 18 referring domains, and they're on the first page. So what I would do is I would just go in here, click, and just go down the list. And you can either create an account with these companies, or you could just go ahead and click contact us and just ask for a link. But I mean, imagine if you beat them with content and you beat them with backlinks, you're going to take their organic ranking, which means that you're going to take their organic traffic. And as you can see here, they're getting an extra $705 a month. I mean, that's just an average of that based off of an extra 49 clients per month. And this is on the first page. So just imagine when somebody clicks on carpet cleaning Lawrenceville, Georgia, and they're ready to buy, the first customer or the first company they're going to call are the company that they see that shows up, that seems trustworthy, and you want that to be you. because those customers are the easiest ones to close, right? So people usually skip all the ads. As you can see here, they have the ads when you click on this. They always skip that, whether it be because of ad blockers or bad experiences. So where you're going to want to rank yourself is in the local map pack, which is right in here. All right. And getting here requires that you have more citations than your competitors. A citation is basically anywhere where your business name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. I mean, these are just the most common ones. But the best strategy here is to figure out exactly what directories your competitors are in and put yourself in the exact same directories and then add a bunch more on top. So as you can see here, for example, Will Tech Carpet Cleaning has 53 directories that they're in. Go and figure it. We'll find out exactly what directories they're in, and then we'll add another 100 on top of that, or another 50 on top of that. And then you'll be on this page and you'll be in the top. And this is in order to rank carpet cleaning pros. So, I mean, carpetmakeovers.com. There we go. Carpetmakeovers.com. So those are the things that I have for you. The first thing is you want to up the content, 1,500 to 2,000 words. Get some more pictures in here. We can have some locations in here. You can also add your other site, Flooring Makeovers. And just as a bonus, I went ahead and I put this in to see exactly what Flooring Makeovers has going on in the back end in RS. And there's not much going on here either. So this can definitely be bumped up. Your backlinks is what's helping you a lot here. But if you could once we could get some organic keywords in here, you'll see this go up, you'll see this go up, and in turn, you'll see these colors start moving in the right direction as well. All right, so that's, again, that's something else that we could take a look at. However, if you want to do all this yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm trying to help as many businesses as I can. Just send me back some feedback. Let me know if this was valuable information. And if you want any help doing it, then you could just give me a call, 404-345-2771. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time out to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day.